Hello everyone, so it's Yat Kean here from Training Ground. Now in this video, we are going to unbox and also give my quick impression for the Kospet Tank M3. Yes, this is the recently launched in Malaysia smartwatch. Yeah, you can actually go and get it. They are available on Shopee, but more details about that later on. I think we're gonna go right now to the unboxing. Okay, so this is the retail box for the Kospet Tank M3 in Malaysia. And as you can see, there's a lot of things it's telling you. It has Gorilla Glass, military grade quality, warranty. There's IP69K and 5 atmospheric water resistant. That is impressive. So you can see at the side also it says that Corning Gorilla Glass screen, full metal unibody design, rugged design, 5 atmospheric, IP69K, waterproof, and even at the bottom here it tells you extreme temperature testing, harsh environment testing, tensile testing, waterproof testing, contamination by fluids testing. Man, that's a lot. 130 plus sports modes and smart recognition, health monitoring, 1.96 inches HD AMOLED display, and hi-fi Bluetooth calling. Wow, that's really a lot. Okay, so I think we already covered quite a lot of things over here. So I'm gonna just like slice it up, the plastic away, so we can access the device itself. Now, of course, I'm gonna just remove the whole plastic off for you. Okay, thank you. I don't need this knife anymore. I'm gonna put it aside first. So when you purchase it, please remember there is a seal, top and the bottom. So you make sure the seals are still there in contact, and then you pull it off. Do it for the bottom as well. There you go. And now you can technically remove it up. Wow, not bad. Looks cool, nice. Okay, I trying to take this out first. Okay, and let's check out what's at the bottom as well. So you open this box up, you are accessing to the watch strap itself, the charging cable, and the magnetic charging plate as well. So they also give you some I think the screen protector as well. Wow, this is really good. This is really good. So there is some paper works at there. Yeah, pretty much that's it, what you are getting in the package. So let's head back to the watch. Okay, so now let's divert back our attention to the watch body itself first. Okay, so you can see here, military standard 810H certified over here. Very easy to take it out from the plate here. Yeah, basically all you need to do is just like pull off this tab, and voila, you are access to the body watch itself. Look really amazing, very stunning as well. Cool. Let me just turn on the flash here. You check it out. Nice. So this is how it looks like from the back body of it. There's some weight onto it. I like it. The grooves, check it out, the design grooves. And you also have some markings on the button, which is good. I like it. Really solid. Okay, so I'm going to attach the strap. So if you able to see it from here, it's actually a 22mm straps here they have provided to you. So I have done attaching the watch. Let me go and fire it up, and I'll come back to you. Okay, so done all the setup. Already hooked up with the app itself. I think first thing, let's talk about the ergonomics. I would say it generally felt good. There's enough holes to fit all kind of hand sizes for sure. But definitely I feel the strap a little bit flimsy. Just a little bit flimsy for sure. But nonetheless, the locking mechanism here is actually quite good. Fits well enough, good. And again, I do feel the body watch is going to be a little bit weighted over here. But nonetheless, it feels really, really good on hand. At the moment, I don't feel any discomfort or whatsoever. So ergonomics here, I think it's going to be a pleasant wearing experience for any kind of user as well. And I would now like to divert your attention to the watch itself over here. Okay, now if you really see the display here, it's really, really bright. I like it max brightness right now, so I'm gonna go into the dimmest as possible, brighten it up, brighten it one more time, go for this. Yeah, I felt the display over here is really, really good, amazing. I like it. I'm going to put it on the max brightness anyway over here. And then the controls. Okay, I like the controls here. The controls are actually very pleasant as well. So you have a touch screen and also buttons to control the navigation as well. So on the left side is basically it's like from up, go back down, you know. Basically it's the swipe gesture, like pulling from the bottom, pulling from the top to bottom. So you press up here, and if you press back again, nothing much happen. But you press down, yeah, it will basically pull away the tab away. And basically if you just pull out like that, you can still go down, go down, go down. Oh, can go down, go down, go down, go down. Pretty much nice. So basically the back button here, this button you can actually go and customize it. As default is put onto the calls, and then if you press here, this is the select button. Okay, over here you basically, I would say this is more like going over to your overall menus features button. Yeah, so basically that's it. All right, and then you actually need to pair it up with the Kospet Fit app over here. Okay, so sorry, just now was a little bit busy with some courier services. Now back to the Kospet Fit app over here. Once you have hooked it up, it's very instantaneously, very easy. I have done the software update as well onto the smartwatch itself, and you do have a lot of things to play around with the app itself over here. So first thing is definitely the watch face gallery. You can able to see it. You have a lot of watch face to change around, play. Your always on display as well. So that is very good. Some customization ability for the users, and then you can change the display here's screen timeout, raise to wake function. You can find your watch, you can do weather settings, more settings. Okay, so this is really, really good. And you can do like phone notifications, SMS notifications. I'm going to turn this all up, okay. App reminder, so you can actually like do all these kind of notifications. Not bad. There's sedentary reminder, alarm, not bad. I kind of like it. So you can also turn on all these kind of features as well: heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure monitoring. Everything is actually based on your suits of needs. Okay. You can also put in your contacts, SMS quick reply, emergency SOS, Bluetooth calls, system update as usual, right? About device, not bad. And then if you go to home, you have all these kind of like help data for you, your step goals, your distance, your calories, how much steps you have already taken, your heart rate, blood oxygen. Yeah, all these things, if you are someone that's really heavy into it, is really good. And also you can check out the weather as well. Not bad. Okay, so here is my ID. You can go to your profile. So I can't go to the sports right now because these few weeks it has been like terrible raining weather. I can't go for outdoor and exercise. I don't want to get myself sick, so I'll leave it for the full review time. I'll test out the sports of it, the sports feature. Okay, that's for sure, and really impressed me. Okay. So there is also a voice assistance as well. And now let's try it again. So what is the weather for today?
Started off raining, transitioned to cloudy, and ended with rain.
What about tomorrow's weather?
Tomorrow's weather will start off cloudy, followed by rain from 1 p.m. to 1800 hours, and finally end with cloudy skies.
I think this is quite a good smartwatch indeed, right? Okay, so basically just something cool to show you guys, but definitely there is some a little bit of you know, a bit need to troubleshoot a little bit, but once you have troubleshoot it, it works pretty good. So what is my overall quick impression for the Kospet Tank M3 smartwatch? I would definitely have to say this is a value buy. If you go to their official store at Shopee right now, just priced at 380 ringgit Malaysia. Below 400 ringgit Malaysia, you are actually already getting a really large screen estate here. 1.96 inches, looks really huge. Okay, and the UI layout here is actually quite adequate enough. You don't feel slow here as well. It's quite fast. Check it out. Quite good. Quite responsive. Everything is really good over here. And you don't have to forget that this smartwatch over here, it also offers IP69K rating as well. So if you want to bring it for the toughest condition, not an issue. It also has the US military standards 810H as well. So that's good. They have tested with extreme temperature, drops chemical corrosion as well. Yeah, as you can see from here. Then also the AMOLED display here is so bright. Screen brightness is up to 1000 nits, and it supports Bluetooth calling as well. You can also use the smartwatch to play your music as well. That is one amazing cool. Last but not least, I think this is something very important. It has a 480 milliamp battery here, and that's good. And for those who loves a lot of sports, you can track with the smartwatch as it supports up to 170 sports mode over here. So that's very cool. Yeah. So for 380 ringgit, I think it's very hard to complain too much. So that's just my quick impression. However, I still need to go and fully test it out. Alright, so hopefully you guys like this kind of content. And if you do want to support my YouTube channel, you're still new, please go ahead and subscribe, because it's going to be really important for us to get more subscribers, to get more products to review as well. Yeah, so we really need those subscribers and the views as well. So please keep supporting us, and we can give more fair and unbiased content for you guys to watch. Right, so with that, I'm going to end the video here. Please stay tuned for more contents at Trend Ground. Bye.